We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in the heart.
Hey Les, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be doing a perming video. Now, disclaimer before this video goes any further, if you guys don't like things like this, if you guys don't like perming videos, because I have done one like this before and I've seen a lot of people, I don't know, talking about like, you know, oh, perming's not good and stuff like that. I know that perming's not good, but this is my hair. This is something that I like to do once in a while, and it's not like I do it all the time. I honestly think that hair is hair. If it wants to grow, it grow. If it don't, oh well. I always have wigs, but like I said, if you guys don't agree or don't like things like this, just click off this video now. And yeah, but you guys already know the drill. I do have a video of more, I guess, in depth on my channel I made a few months ago. I'll probably link it in the eye if you guys want to check that out. But yeah, so right now I just want to take a break from wigs, so I decided to just perm my hair so I can have my hair out, have it out, and you know, for me to just wear it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll probably come pop in here and there in a while just to put a little commentary if needed. Hey y'all, so when I tell you guys this shit was burning, it was burning. And this is only because I was scratching it prior, like I was scratching it really bad. That's really why I took my wig off, because my hair is really dry and it tends to get like itchy. So I was itching a lot before, so I'm telling you guys, please don't do this if you did like previously itch your head. At least wait the next day or something, because y'all, this shit was burning my freaking head. Like, I did burn a little bit, but I didn't burn, but like there's little sections here and there, but that's only because I was itching my hair really bad. My mom did say for me to not do it and wait for a few days, but you know, I was persistent. I was just like, figured it. And yeah, but overall I really like the way that it turned out. Yeah, I know y'all see how bald the front of my head is, and I'm telling guys, it's really not necessarily because of the wigs. It's just because I naturally have thin hairline, and even my mom, like, her hairline is really thin and she never wore any wigs or glue and stuff like that. So I feel like that's something that I just naturally got from her, which I just naturally have, you know, thin edges. And even my hair altogether is pretty thin. I am adding some oil just so it can help with because I know that it was gonna burn a little bit because the way it was feeling before. So my mom said to just make sure I moisturize and add some oil in there so it doesn't like leave those little really hard patches and stuff like that. And the oil really helped because it didn't leave as much as I thought it was going to leave. But you guys, I was debating if I wanted to straighten my hair or not, and I decided not to, just because, one, I just permed it. It's pretty straight because, you guys, I really just want my hair to be more manageable and for me to actually, like, you know, do things with it, not necessarily have it bone straight. So I decided not to, you know, flat iron it. I just left it like blown out, and I put in a cute little ponytail, and then I did end up putting in a cute bun and stuff like that. So this actually, like, I guess you could say my perming routine that I do. Now, this isn't something that I do all the time. This is something that I probably do like twice a year, if that, because honestly I was natural for about 2 years, so I don't do this all the time. This is necessarily for when I want to have my hair out. So, but I hope you guys do enjoy this video. It was just something quick that I just wanted to record and stuff like that, and you guys seem to like the other one that I did. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys have any good hair growing oils and stuff like that. I know like African growth oil is really good. I don't know, but I need to start using these products more consistently because I do want my hair to grow to my bra strap. So let's see if that's possible, because my hair did grow like 2 inches since I did last perming, which I'm happy about. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next Vlogmas. Bye.